Let's take a look at this example. We have two resistors which are in parallel. Keep in mind that resistors are in parallel when the current, is going to split into two branches. Let's say current will flow through resistor R1 and is going to go to resistor R2, and at the other end of these two resistors the current is going to meet again. These two currents are going to meet again, and they're going to create I total again. So these two resistors are in parallel because total current splits into two different currents, and these two currents are going to create total current again. So it means that these two resistors are in parallel. We have to find the reading of the ohm meter. Simply, we have to find the total resistance of this circuit. So because I have two resistors only, I'm going to use the formula which is called product over the sum. So we have R total is equal R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2. Now I'm going to substitute the variables by the resistances. So I have 1 kilo ohm times 2.2 kilo ohms divided by 1 kilo ohm plus 2.2 kilo ohms. Now I'm going to take the calculator, and we have 1 kilo, so means 1 exp3 times 2.2 exp3. I say exp3 means I have to have 2.2 times 10 to the third power, because this is k, divided by, open parenthesis, 1 exponent 3 plus 2.2 exp3, because I'm dealing with kilos. My answer is 687.5 ohms. So this is the total resistance of my circuit, and basically the ohm meter is going to show me that value. So this is my solution.